Around. You like a little dancer?
Yeah.
A go-go dancer?
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa. Get up, dance in the mirror.
I like a ballerina. Mama, tell me this one.
Yeah, why don't you put it on your head? So you can look like a devil.
My put
No,
on
you put it on your head. Nice. Cute. Could you put it on your head and look at Mommy?
I want to put this in.
Oh, okay. That's better.
I like a ballerina too. I'm a ballerina.
Okay.
I